Hey everyone, it's Gitanjali from TrumpHr. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set job alerts on LinkedIn. So if you're tired of constantly checking LinkedIn for your next job, this feature is going to save you a lot of time and effort, and hands down is a game changer for job seekers. Let's dive in.
First, open LinkedIn app on your phone and tap on the jobs icon at the bottom of your screen. Next, use the search bar at the top to type the kind of job you're looking for. You can search by title, role, company name, or even keywords here. So let's say you're looking for a digital marketing manager role in Mumbai. Once you enter your search, LinkedIn will display a list of jobs that matches your criteria. To further refine your search, use the range of filters available at the top. So first is Easy Apply. While applying for jobs on LinkedIn, you'll see two options, Apply and Easy Apply. Apply redirects you to company's website to complete the application process manually. Easy Apply filters jobs that let you apply directly to the job posted on LinkedIn with minimal steps. Date posted. For most recent opportunities, choose past 24 hours or past week. Experience, select the level that matches your experience. Job type, choose full-time contract, etc. Location, for me, on-site and hybrid works. If you're pleased with your search results, simply tap on the Create Job Alert toggle at the bottom to activate the job alert. But if your search results are a bit mixed, like in this case, what I like to do instead is create job alerts for specific job postings. So for example, let's take the first job. Go through all the details, and if it looks relevant, just click on the Set Alert toggle at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a pop-up that says Job Alert Created. Now LinkedIn also allows you to choose how often you would like to receive these alerts, that is daily or weekly, and how would you like to be notified about them, whether by email or through LinkedIn notifications or both. To choose so, simply go back to the job section, tap on Preferences on top left, and then select Job Alerts. Here you'll see all your active alerts. To manage one, tap on the pen icon and choose your preferences. Now what happens is, whenever a new job that matches your search criteria is posted on LinkedIn, you'll get a notification right away. And to remove this alert, click Delete Job Alert.
As a corporate recruiter who actually posts these job openings, I like to share some tips. First is use multiple job titles or keywords related to your job, because different companies use different titles for similar jobs. For example, a digital marketing manager could be listed as a growth marketing manager or B2B marketing manager or simply marketing manager in some other company. Experiment with different titles and see which one fetches you the most relevant jobs. That becomes your alert. I personally created 9 to 10 job alerts when I was looking out, just to cover every opportunity there is. And of course, if you're getting repetitive jobs, you can always delete them. Second is apply early. I can't emphasize this enough. Always try to be among first 100-150 applicants. This gives you a better chance of getting ahead of competition. And lastly, keep your LinkedIn updated. Because if your profile is shortlisted, recruiter will review it. And if it's an outdated one, then it's already not a first good impression. And that's it. Start using job alerts today, and I'm certain you'll land your next role much faster. Good luck.